How to disable Reels translation on Instagram. New update, official method. If Instagram Reels captions are automatically translating into another language and you want to turn this feature off, this video will show you the official method using Instagram's latest update. Let's start step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines menu in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and find the language option. Tap on it. Inside the language section, tap on Translation Settings. Here you will see the option for Reels translation. Now simply turn off Reels translation. Once disabled, Instagram will stop automatically translating text and captions in Reels. Now close the app completely and restart Instagram. Play a reel again, and you'll see the captions in their original language. Important notes. This option is available only on the latest Instagram version. If you don't see translation settings, update Instagram from the Play Store or App Store. Also remember, this setting applies only to Reels. Posts and comments may still show translation options. No third-party app is required. What you should avoid: do not use mod Instagram apps. Do not change random system files. Avoid apps claiming to force disable translation. These can cause account restrictions or bans. To summarize, open Instagram. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Language. Open Translation Settings. Turn off Reels translation. That's it. This is the official and safe way to disable Reels translation on Instagram. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay connected for more latest Instagram update tutorials.